So you know your major scales and you want your solo to start making more sense. Just by following a few simple steps, I'm going to show you how you're going to go from not really knowing what all the chords mean and how to approach soloing to making your solo make a lot more sense. The first step that you need to do is to write out a guide tone line. And a guide tone line can be a series of different notes, but we're going to focus on thirds and sevenths because they're the two most important notes in any chord because they define the quality of the chord. So we're going to take a look at blues and we're going to write out the thirds and the sevenths and then play through that so you get to accustom your ear to what it sounds like over the different chords. Down below, you can click on and get your PDF in your key if you're a B flat instrument or an E flat instrument or bass clef. But I'm going to put up on the screen, I'm going to put up the treble clef version. All right, here we go.